Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Nahil Wali. I am 16-year-old living in Faisalabad, Pakistan, a student at Rehan School Online Academy. Also second batch foundation level in evening shift. So I hope you are all doing well. So today I watched very amazing TEDx talk. The speaker name was Sidra Iqbal, and her topic is how to build a new tomorrow for yourself. First of all, Sidra Iqbal is a dynamic, educated personality from Pakistan. She has achieved success in many fields of life and has guiding people toward motivation, awareness, and positive change through her thoughts and understanding. She is not only a media anchor but also a thought leader whose goal is not just to speak but to awaken people, to shake their thinking, and to awaken the hidden dreams within them. This TEDx talk title, How to Build a New Tomorrow for Yourself, is full of insight. In it, Sidra not only explain where the journey of success begins, but also share how we can shape a better, bright, and more meaningful future through our everyday action. This talk is for every person who wants to bring meaningful change into their lives, whether a student, a professional, or someone lost in life journey. Sidra start her talk by changing the meaning of failure. She explained that in our society, failure is often seen as shame, weakness, or disgrace. People hide their failures, they don't talk about them, and they feel embarrassed by them. But according to Sidra, failure is actually a blessing. It is a chance for us to reflect, learn, and improve ourselves. She says that people who are afraid of failures also miss out on learning, because the real lesson, real strength, and real wisdom often come when we fall down, when our courage breaks, and then we pick ourselves up again. These are the moments that light up our true inner strength. The next part of the talk focus on the power of mindset. Sidra says that people become prisoners of their own thoughts. If you think I am a failure and I can't do this, then you actually make yourself fail. But if you believe I can learn and I can become better, then you open new paths for yourself. She gives the example of two types of mindset: a closed mind that refuses to learn, and an open mind that sees every challenge as an opportunity. Sidra makes it clear that success does not come to those who are born smart. It comes to those who keep learning, keep asking questions, and turn every failure into a lesson. Sidra says that just having wishes is not enough. We need intentions and action. A new tomorrow is built when we change our priorities today. First, you need to clarity understand what your purpose in life is. Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years? What is your dream? Once your dream is clear, you need to make a step by step plan to turn it into reality. That plan should include small, achievable steps, one step, one day, and one task, and anything else. Dream and plans are unless Dream and plans are useless if you don't take actions. Do something every day, even it's small step. Just keep moving forward. Sidra explained that everything great in the world was creating through continuous steady action. Nothing great happened in one day. It was the result of small efforts done every day. One powerful idea in this speech is consistency. Sidra says that success comes to those who do their daily work every single day, no matter the weather, mood, or situation, or anything wedding functions, etc. She explained that there is no skill in the world that you cannot learn if you practice it daily. You only need passion, patience, and effort. And this becomes possible when you are clear about your purpose. According to Sidra, a person only grows when they truly recognize on value and worth. If you think you are not good enough, the world will also treat you that way. But if you believe you are capable and acknowledge your talent, then your way of thinking, your way of speaking, and your way of acting will change, and the world will automatically start to respect you. She says, if you want the world to take you seriously, first take yourself seriously. At the end of the TEDx talk, Sidra Iqbal gives a deep and inspiring message. The message is, no one else will build your tomorrow. Your life is yours. You are in control. If you want change, you have to change yourself. Be friends with yourself and believe in yourself. She reminds us, don't wait for change, becomes the change. If you want society to improve, if you want better conditions, if you want people to become positive, the change must begin with you. The seed you plant today will grow into the trees of tomorrow. Failure is not the end; it's the start of growth. Don't be afraid of failure. Embrace it. Changing your mindset is the first step to success. Without a positive mindset, action would not work. Life without purpose is an empty road. You must define your directions. Consistency turns dreams into reality. Small daily steps always lead to big results. Confidence is the foundation of success. Love yourself before expecting others to. You hold the key to your life, not other people's. Take charge of your time and choices. The only way to build a better tomorrow is to make your today meaningful. The journey start now. This talk is not only inspired me but also changed my thinking, my feeling, and my attitude and my all life. I learned that everything I need is already inside me. I just need to believe in myself. I understood that failure is not something to be ashamed of, but it is actually a chance to grow. I know that I move forward a little with every day, my dreams will come true one day. I also realized that the world only accept me when I accept myself. Now I feel ready to take myself in a new direction because I know my tomorrow is my responsibility and my courage is the foundation of that future. I hope you like this TEDx review. Until the next TEDx review, Allah Hafiz everyone.